Did you know Mrbeast, the YouTube giant, makes millions, and we're not talking about just ad revenue? Want to know the mind-blowing truth behind how much he actually makes and where all that cash is coming from? Stick around, because this story is more than just numbers. It's about a revolution in online entertainment. We all know him as the guy who gives away insane amounts of money, cars, and even entire islands. But have you ever wondered how much money Mrbeast makes and how he turned his passion for YouTube into a money-making machine? 1. Introduction to Mrbeast. Mrbeast, also known as Jimmy Donaldson, started his YouTube career back in 2012. But it wasn't until 2017 that he became a viral sensation with videos like counting to 100,000 and last to leave $1 million wins. Fast forward to today, and he's one of the most influential figures in the world of online content. But how did he get here? Scene 2. The journey to success. Mrbeast didn't just hit it big overnight. He started small, creating videos about gaming, reacting to viral trends, and experimenting with unique challenges. But it was his focus on larger-than-life stunts and extreme generosity that captured the attention of millions. And that's where the money started rolling in. Scene 3. Revenue streams. Graphics showing different sources of income, YouTube ads, sponsorships, business ventures, etc. So, where does Mrbeast's money come from? Let's break it down. First, there's the YouTube ads. His channel generates millions of views every month. With an estimated 10 billion views across his channels, Mrbeast rakes in between $3 to $5 million annually just from ad revenue. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Cut to images of Mrbeast merch and brand partnerships. Next up, merchandise. Mrbeast has a highly successful line of clothing and accessories called Beast Apparel. This alone brings in millions in sales. But he didn't stop there. He partnered with major brands like Honey, Beast Burger, and even launched a philanthropic initiative called Beast Philanthropy, where he helps those in need with charitable donations. All of these ventures add up to a jaw-dropping number. Scene 4. Mrbeast's other ventures. Let's talk about Beast Burger, a fast food chain Mrbeast launched in 2020. It started as a delivery-only restaurant, but now it has locations across the US and has expanded internationally. The revenue from Beast Burger alone is estimated to be in the tens of millions annually. Show clips of Mrbeast's philanthropic projects. Narrator, and don't forget Beast Philanthropy. Mrbeast has donated millions of dollars to help the homeless, support food banks, and fund life-changing surgeries. His business model isn't just about making money, it's about making the world a better place. Scene 5. Mrbeast's net worth. Now, let's get to the big question: how much is Mrbeast worth? According to several sources, Mrbeast's net worth is estimated to be around $500 million. And with his diverse range of income streams, that number is only going to grow. Show a quick timeline of Mrbeast's rise to fame and wealth. Narrator, from his humble beginnings to creating one of the most profitable brands on the internet. Mrbeast has truly revolutionized what it means to be a YouTuber. Scene 6. Conclusion. So, while it's clear that Mrbeast makes an incredible amount of money, it's also important to remember that his success is built on innovation, hard work, and giving back. He's not just a millionaire, he's changing the game for everyone on YouTube and beyond. Narrator, want to know more about how YouTubers like Mrbeast are making waves in the world of entertainment and business? Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.